To show Google Audio playback notification as pop-up in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, scroll down screen, tap settings for Google apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, tap notifications, and then tap notifications again, and then you must run on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, tap audio playback, find audio playback, and then tap it. And then to show Google Audio playback as pop-up, tap show as pop-up switch until blue, or to hide, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.